Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this folding portable camping table. So I was given this product to me free by the manufacturer. It's very easy to set up. I'm also going to show you how we're going to stow it in that little bag. But here is the table all assembled. We got room for plates. We can put some drinks. We got drink holders, and we have a little storage area underneath there with a mesh net. So it is relatively strong. It's got some reinforcement. Okay, so let's measure the cup holders. They're right at 3 inches. Left to right, you're looking at 23 inches. Off the ground, it's right at 15 inches. And front to back, you're looking at about 15 and a half. Here's what the bottom side looks like. Now you can get to this storage container by just lifting these. Like, this will peel back and you can get into here. This is how you attach it right here. And when you're ready, you just push these back, kind of. Okay, so let's take it apart now. We're going to snap these up on this side and this side. That takes the whole table off the top. Then we're going to disconnect the storage container. Now what I really like is that these feet, you're just going to undo them right here. And you've got these legs. So this is kind of one piece. This is kind of one piece. They kind of go into a groove there, which is very simple when you're putting it together. But now this is what I really like. This is all one piece and it collapses on itself. So these have got bungee cords in there, and you're gonna disconnect them all, and that way we can store it up nice and tight. Okay, so again, they all have a little bungee cord. You pull them out, but they stay as one assembly. That's what this piece of Velcro is for. Now you're gonna kind of hold all the legs together and Velcro them together. That way it's nice and small. Now these two arms, they come apart in the middle, and again, with a bungee cord. Okay, so just kind of wrap the table up, fold it up really nice and tight. Put the tabletop in here first, and then we're gonna put the legs. Okay, tabletop, legs, now I can put the storage. Okay, so everything fits in there very nice. Now we can zip it up. We got to kind of hold it together as we zip it. But I like the storage. It's got a nice handle and it stores up very compact. So the size of it after it's all packed up, 16 inches by about almost 4.5 inches, and height-wise is around 4.5 inches. It's not very heavy at all. And it does come with a nice instruction manual that shows you exactly how to put it together. I'm very happy with this portable table. Thanks everybody for watching.